Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify phone number. This phone number cannot be used at this time. So guys, if you're trying to add your or verify your phone number on your Apple device to log in your Apple account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to the general settings and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. After this, go back and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here automatically. After this, go back and then go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and then restart your device for one time again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.